Welcome back to Effortless Website Design, Unit 7. We've made excellent progress on this project. It's time to link the pages. Can you recall in Unit 2, I've spoken about hyperlinks? There are different types of hyperlinks, and the type you choose depends on the usage thereof. The first two you will be introduced to in this project are internal and external hyperlinks. Internal hyperlinks open a new page in the same window in the browser as the current page. This creates the illusion that you are in a single website. It is used for pages within the same document. External hyperlinks will open the page in a new window. This is useful for links to other websites, links to social media, or email. Let's focus on the internal hyperlinks first. Open index.html. At the moment, all our pages are complete, but none of the buttons are active. Select the first button image, the collection. Creating hyperlinks are very easy. Once again, there are multiple ways to perform this task. The first method is using Insert from the menu bar at the top. You go to Insert, Hyperlink. The hyperlink pop-up window displays some options. This method works best for text hyperlinks. Since we are using an image as the button, we will use the Properties panel situated at the bottom of the screen rather. Select the image. Once you've done that, you will see the Properties panel responded to the selection and provides relevant information about the image. The alt text, the applied ID, and the image size, for example. Next to Link, click on the folder icon and browse until you locate collection.html. Next to Target, choose _self. That's it. Preview it in a browser to see whether you were successful. When you hover with your mouse over the image, the arrow turns into a hand, indicating that it is a button. When you click on it, it is supposed to direct to the collection page. It won't work on the others yet, since they are still regarded as image and not button. Return to Dreamweaver and make buttons of the others, About Wild and Contact Us. Since we are on the home page, you don't need to transform the Wild Vintage logo, but you will need to do it on the other pages. You can now open the other HTML pages and transform the navigation images into buttons.